You're never gonna believe this.
Shocking.
It's shocking. We got another Ninja product. Can you believe this? So, she sends me a text that she wants
A Ninja blender.
And what are you going to use this for?
So I had watched a video on YouTube about a lady making, so we're doing a lot of a carnivore diet, and she was using it to make her essentially a bun, but it's made out of hamburger and egg, and you blend it in here and then put it in a waffle maker, and it makes like a bun when you go to eat your hamburgers. That's what I bought it for, but it's also going to be used for smoothies. Our son wants to make his protein smoothies and protein shakes. And what better company to get it from than Ninja?
And we want to do a full disclosure. He actually opened it.
You're not supposed to tell him.
I'm telling him I can't take it.
It was put back together. He didn't know we were doing the video. So we put it back together. It's fine.
But
I haven't really seen it, so it's okay.
I definitely have not seen it. So this thing is heavy duty.
Yeah, and it'll just sit on our counter.
It looks way smaller in the pictures.
Wow.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
It feels like it's really good. It's Ninja. I mean, come on. And this comes with 2 cups?
Yes.
Oh my gosh, that's so awesome.
2 cups and travel lids.
Travel lids? Look at that.
Yeah,
so where's the
really
travel
nice.
lids? Give me one of them.
So these are the lids. And it'll have a...
So you don't even have to have a cup. This is your cup.
Yeah, so you blend it in this, and then you take it on the go with you.
And
so
that's
what you'll do is
16 ounces. It says it's max full.
You'll take this part off,
and then slip this on.
And then once you've got your product in there, you're just gonna close that up.
And you got the 2 lids. There's another
2
lid.
lids.
And I bet if you wanted to even have more, I bet you can buy.
Yes, you can. I've seen them.
More than that. So you just take and
put it on there, lock it, and it's already. I think it. You know what's at the bottom of the box? Instructions.
No, we're trying to do this.
With a recipe book.
I feel like you just push it down, right?
Oh, is there no button?
Just do this.
Maybe.
That's what it looks like to me. Yeah. There is. Yeah, that's your button.
Just pressing it down.
Just press down. That's what it looks like, yes.
And it makes a clicking sound when you do that, so.
Figured it out.
Yep, press down on the cup to pulse or blend.
So you can go.
Yes.
Cool beans. See, look at that. That'd be easy to get a new one of these. Mm-hmm. So really, this piece here, and that's going to be nice and small on your counter.
Yeah, it's skinny, so you're not taking
way better than those.
And
don't we have a big Ninja one?
Yes, I have a bigger one, and I only use it for like big things.
Yeah, like it's so big.
The cup, lid, and blade assembly are all dishwasher safe.
No way! That is the best thing ever.
On top rack.
That is so cool.
Yeah, I'm super excited to try this.
All right. What do you have anything we can try this on?
He was just going to make a protein shake, but he wasn't going to do ice. It was just going to be...
Well, that's fine. Let's get him.
Okay.
Let's make a video on how this thing works. Let's try it out.
All right. We have our mixture. We've got it sealed tightly, and we're going to go.
This is scary.
Oh, you know what? It would help if I plugged it in.
That would really help. That's a big help.
This is just real life. Okay.
Can I? Okay, yeah.
It's gonna be nice and mixed up for you. Look at that. And you're gonna be very careful. The blades are extremely sharp per Amazon reviews.
Amazon reviews.
Oh man, that smells good.
Are the best reviews.
Got our lid on, and now we're ready for the day.
All right. Well, thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Do you want to take a drink? You look like-
Sure.
Is it good?
Yes.
Hmm.
Probably even better with milk.
Chocolate protein shake.
Yeah, and it's not cold, so maybe some ice too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Please like and subscribe. Click the bell for notifications.
Catch you on the next review.
Bye.
Bye. That's pretty yummy.
That's cool. That was so quick.
Yeah.
Powerful. Could you feel the power?
Yes. I was a little scared.
What do you think, Peyton? Take a drink.
I think you should put ice in. It's not very cold.
Well, that does smell really freaking good.
Yeah. It's like a peanut butter shake.